Welcome to the Hotel and Resorts Chatbot Preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how guests explore stays and services, making their travel experience comfortable, personalized, and completely hassle-free. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 4 service options: search hotels and resorts, cancel booking, amenities, and talk to support. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to suit individual business needs and requirements. When a user selects Search Hotels and Resorts, the chatbot first asks them to choose a destination. Once a destination is selected, the bot automatically sends a short questionnaire to collect essential details such as the guest's name, check-in date, check-out date, and the number of adults and children. Based on this information, the chatbot displays available hotel and resort options. When the user selects Book Now, they are redirected to the chosen hotel's official booking website where they can complete the reservation directly. This chatbot ensures a smooth, guided, and user-friendly booking experience, from discovering the perfect stay to confirming the reservation with ease. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Hotel and Resorts chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.